How can you download application onto your laptop? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you too can download applications onto your laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Just like how there are app stores and play stores for your mobile devices, there's a store for your computer as well, and that is the Microsoft Store. You need to go to your Google browser and then search for Microsoft Store. The first result is your answer. You can open it and search for the application that you want to download. Here I'm downloading the Spotify application, and you can press the install button, which will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. After it opens up, you can just press it. It's going to take a lot longer than it does on a mobile phone, but once it does, you can add the application to your start menu or your taskbar and then open the application from there. As you can see, the application has opened over here, and now once you sign in, the application will be running just as fine as it would on a mobile device. And there you go. That is how you download any application on your laptop. There are multiple options available in the Microsoft Store, so make sure to check it out. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.